Hello friends, my name is Jyoti and today I'm gonna teach you about where to get started when it comes to speaking English. So if you ask any fine English communicator that how can I work upon my English speaking skills, what the piece of advice they give you? Number one, learn a lot of vocabulary. Second, work on your pronunciation. And the third one is watch a lot of native speakers. Even try talking to the people who know how to speak English language. Well, all of these advice come true, but only and only when you know that how to get started and where to get started. So the problem with the people is, of course, the problem or the people I'm talking about are the beginner level. So, how to get started? I will tell today the steps to become better English communicator. But before I talk about the steps to follow or the steps you have literally considered before considering become a good English communicator, you have to find out first where you stand, which means what is your current understanding of English learning. So, do you understand the native speakers? No. Well, do you understand the speakers of your own country when they speak in English language, or do you get everything? There are certain words elude you. Whatever it is, just find them out. If you understand, if you find that I understand the words they speak, is just that I don't know how the sentence is structuring, or I'm not really sure where do they get these content from, because even if I know, is really really difficult for me to express them in words. Well, whatever the level is, wherever you stand, these four steps that I'm gonna talk about will certainly help you figure out who you are, where you are, and how you have to perceive further for your English speaking journey. So, step number one, if you are a beginner, it means you do not understand English words even. I'm not talking about the words about like I am you. I'm talking about adverbs. I'm talking about verbs. I'm talking about adjectives, right? So, if you don't understand the verbs, the adjectives, which means if someone tells you what a majestic approach, so here you don't understand the word majestic, you don't know anything about approach. So what I'm saying are these words are not from basic level yet. There are so many basic verbs or basic words that you do not understand. Let's get started. Let's get started from the level number one, which means no grammar learning yet. You ought to stick around English words, and for that it's very easy, it's very simple. You just have to start listening to the people who speak in English language. So, on your daily basis. Now don't think about the structure they have used, the grammar they have used, the style they have used, the pronunciation. I mean, the way they are uttering the words, you just have to focus the words they spoke. Did you understand them? Just for your understanding, if we just speak words, people understand what we are talking about. Well, if you understand the words properly, it means you are not from a beginner level, but you are a step ahead. Now, we can certainly talk about the grammatical English. Here, you have to learn tenses, models, how to talk about daily routine, how to talk about past events. All these things don't bother still. Don't try to speak it correctly or fluently. Just now, hang in there, learn the grammar rules, learn how the grammar structures the sentence. All right, like I need to go now and I need water. All these small sentences, you don't just start understanding, you start speaking it up, which means, well, the phrasal sentences you can get started practicing in this step. Now we can say that you are in an intermediate level, which means you start speaking in English language, which of course grammatical mistakes are still happening, but that's pretty fine, they are going to vanish very soon. So what we do in this step, we watch a lot of native speakers, doesn't matter whether you understand them completely or not. Well, you just have to watch, listen, repeat, listen, watch, repeat. Whatsoever way you understand, just listen lots of native speakers. think about the phrase, how they have been literally using it in context, and try speaking it off, which means this is the phrase where you can learn to impersonate as well, be an actor. So, if you start at this position, which means your goal is not very small. You and your goals are bigger, and you are going to hit it just now. Well, the fourth step, what I call advanced learning. Now, what happens here? Here you speak, which means you speak your heart out. But what will you speak until and unless you have better thought process? At the same time, knowledge. Without knowledge, who knows what to speak? So now come to its existence. Reading a lot of reading, which means even I also read a lot. You can read directly to the newspaper. You can directly read the newspaper novels or the articles. Read any of them you like, and you see that the habit of reading is developing in the moment you can literally pay attention to reading, or you can read for half an hour or two. You read, you imbibe the knowledge, and then you speak it off to the people. This is how it goes. Until and unless you listen to the people, you listen to other people, you read other opinion, you read different books, you don't speak anything new. So when you read, you know new things, you speak it off, and this is where your actual practice of pronunciation also comes to its existence.